welcome to today's Theme Park Adventures, where today I am in Busch Gardens, and I am about to go on Gwazi, my first ever RMC, as my 150th roller coaster. And like, I'm delighted. I've been tracking this coaster for a long time, and finally I get to go on it. And I've only just figured out that it's going to be my 150th. My 100th was Stealth, and now my 150th is Gwazi. So let's do it.
First ride on Gwazi then, David?
Yes.
Give us some facts.
So this is 206 feet tall, drop is 91 degrees, and I'm pretty sure this is one of the only coasters that has the same height drop as it does height thing. So yeah, 206 foot drop, 76 miles an hour, 3 inversions according to push, but 2 according to CDB. So let's ride.
Let's go. What do you think, David?
That was amazing. I'm doing that again. That is going straight to my number 1.
What's that, David?
That is going straight to my number 1. I have no idea what the hell just happened.
Well, once you try on the back, it's going to be quite an experience, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, we're both putting hands up about death row.
Back row. I think it's going to be a bit intense, isn't it, David? Holy moly.
What the hell just happened? my face has just been ripped off.
What did you think of back row then?
My hands are all the way around except for the outer banks. Except for the outer banks, and yeah, that's definitely something. Okay, so just coming off my 150th roller coaster. Thoughts. Front row and back row. We did them too. Back row's far better. The front row is still very good though. I did really like the front row. The views and for floats of airtime and that was very good. But the back row, first you get whipped off that lift hill, then go into like an element that seems like you're going to go upside down, and then you get whipped out to the side, go straight into the death roll, go into another element that feels like you're going upside down, then go into the outer bank, go into a couple of airtime hills, goes into the mini stool, goes into a couple more airtime hills, and one big one until final sharp turn into a brake run. What a phenomenal ride. Like, I will probably have to say the best bit is probably that death roll, because you think you're going one way, you're going the other way. And another thing I like about it is that it's got a wooden coaster feel. Like, it has a bit of a shake, but it's not like a bad shake, like if you would get on a steel coaster. So yeah, it's a good mix between rattly and not rattly. I love this whole ride. I love the flowiness of every element of the next. I love every single bit of it. My new #1 coaster. Thank you for watching Dave's Theme Park Adventures. I'll see you in the next video.